In this video, we are going to see the error of something happened and your pin isn't available on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Click to set up your pin again. So if you face this kind of problem, let's see what you can do. So first of all, what you can do is hold the Shift key, go to the power options and restart your PC. Let's wait. And then you can get this option. Choose an option, continue, use a USB or troubleshoot. We are going to click on troubleshoot, click advanced options and click on command prompt. Choose the account. You need to enter your password and it will show you the command prompt. It might not show you in the full screen or whatever. So that's not a problem. After that, you can just copy and paste the command that I have mentioned in the description. Basically, you cannot actually copy and paste that because you are not login to Windows. So let me just quickly write it. So it's net space user space administrator space then a / active yes. Hit enter and it says the command completed successfully. Make sure it shows you the completed successfully message. Then we write regedit, hit enter. We go to H key local machine, click on file and click on load hive. From here, you go to this PC, click on C, then we go to Windows and we find system32. So press S by just selecting any one of them. It will take you to the S section. There we have system32. Here we find config. Here it is. Go in here, find software. Here's software file. And we basically open this. And we write here M software and click OK. After that, we must have this folder. Just click on that and we go to Microsoft. And under Microsoft, we need to find Windows NT. So just press W. It will take you to the Windows NT section. Double click on it, click on current version, drill it further down and you choose passwordless. So press P. It will take you to the passwordless section. Drill it down again. I know there are a lot of steps, but you can repeat the videos and play it many times. If you want to follow along, just follow it one by one and just click on the device. And here basically you see default and device password. If you want to expand it, you can expand it like this. So basically you just double click on it and change the value data from 2 to 0. Click OK. And after that, you can close everything and basically you go to the same area. Choose the M software again, which the folder we have just created, and click on file and click on unload hive. It will show you, are you sure you want to unload the current key and all of its sub keys? Click yes. Close out of here, close this, and you basically continue and exit. And that's it. After you re-log in, you should be able to enter your password or get the PIN option to log in into your system. So that's how it works. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. And just comment down below if that works for you so that we can help all the community out here. And I will see you in the next one.